Welcome to this guide to using the HCJ Code Sets Library, a great way to learn about how common codes work and how to use them in your app. The library can be accessed directly from the platform by way of the HCJ Builder template. The library itself is organized into several folders that you can browse through. When you find a code set you think you'd like to use, just open the file. Many of these open source or free-to-use code sets have highlighted sections where content elements of the code can be modified to fit your app's theme without making changes to the functionality or layout. These elements, however, can be modified as well. Be sure to highlight all of the lines of code for each set in the file. Copy and paste each into the HCJ Builder template. Be careful to put the codes in their correct fields. After all of the codes have been added to the template, run the program to make sure it works the way you want it to. Then, name the screen and save it. There are many code sets that can be used, and simple titles for each in the library may not be descriptive enough to help you decide whether to use a particular code set. To see examples of how these code sets will actually look and function, refer to the HCJ Code Sets demo app on Mad Store. This app is organized in a similar way to the library, with home screen buttons representing folder names and screens having the same names as the code set files they represent. We encourage you to explore this app to help guide your use of the library, as most of the code sets are represented here. Using these codes is a great start toward making your app more engaging and interactive for the end user.